Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be making roast corn and boiled corn. I've got 4 pieces of sweet corn on the cob. I'm going to take it off from the wrap. And break into 2 pieces. For the boiled corn, I'll be adding the corn pieces into some water and cooking it for about 30 minutes. Just to flavor, you may, if you want, add in a little bit of salt. The boiled corn is ready, nice and soft, and I'm just gonna serve it on a little plate. You can add a knob of butter if you prefer, or just eat in the natural state. Enjoy.